Okay, so to edit your PowerPoint, go to a Chrome window where you have your login. Go to your gray dots, click Drive. In your Drive, you should have your PowerPoint. And do I have a PowerPoint in here to show you? Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is, let me make this a little bit bigger. Maybe not. First thing you're going to do is open up Chrome in a Chrome window. You're going to go to your gray dots, click Drive. When you click Drive, you're going to find your PowerPoint presentation, double click it, but I want it to be a PowerPoint and not slides, so I'm going to click Download. And you see the arrow come down? It downloads it. Once it's downloaded, you can double click it down there, and it should open up PowerPoint once it gets through doing all of its stuff. You can even click it and say, there it goes. It did something anyway. It opened it up. I had to go to the P at the bottom. You're going to click Enable. That's probably what you're not doing. The problem is you need to click Enable, and then you can go in there and you can start doing your editing. So like on this one, this is just a practice one I've started to show you. Practice presentation. If I want to insert the animation, I'm going to go up here to Animations, and I can do whatever animation I want to do for that. Okay? I can change my, over here, I can change if it's on start, with previous, after previous, how long it's going to be, the delay, and if I want to look at the whole thing, I do the animation pane, click play, and it shows right there what's going on, what's going to happen with that thing. If I want to add another presentation, like if I hit add presentation, if I want to do a second one, if I want to do to emphasize it or something, so I can do that, I can hit this down arrow, shows me that I want to start after the previous. I'm going to hit play, so it rises up and then it shakes, and that's the way you do that kind of thing. And then you want to go between slides. If you want to add a slide, you go up here, you click the new slide, you're going to choose what kind of slide you want, and then you can do your transition between the slides. When you go to transitions, and you can push it, you can fade it, you can reveal it, all this stuff. I think there's even one that says random. Pick a random one. But I kind of like the box thing, like that. Alright, and then there should be a thing that says apply to all slides, but I guess I don't have it because there's not more than one. But that's all you have to do. So hopefully that will work for you. Then when you get ready to save it, do File, Save As. Pay attention where it's saving, so it's saving it from this one. It's under Melanie T Downloads. I'm calling it Practice 1, and I'm going to save it. And I'm going to replace it because I already changed it. Then I'm going to exit. I'll exit again. I had two of those up. I'm going to open up my Chrome window again. I'm going to go to my dots again. I'm going to go to Drive. And if I click my drive, I get the option to upload files. So I'm going to upload a file. It's Practice 1. And it came up because I'd already looked there before. And I'm going to say, that one's not the right Practice 1. I saved it a different place, didn't I? It was in Downloads. So you should write it down where it is. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe that was it. I lost what I did with it. Anyway, you're going to choose it and you're going to say open it, and then you're going to upload it once I find what I've done with it. I should have gone with my first instinct. Let me pause it and find it. Alright, so I found it. And you can just, I clicked it, and you're going to say open. And now I see it's saying uploads complete. And I've got practice 1 and practice 1. That's the only thing is you end up with 2. I'm going to delete the ones that aren't the right one. I'm going to remove that one. And so this is my correct one. That's all there is to it.